Trading apps are becoming very popular nowadays because people need to be able to trade while on the go. Actively trading is one of the best ways to make money. In this video, we'll talk about what to look out for when picking a trading app, and we'll walk through the best trading app available right now. So the best trading apps should have the following features: a well-designed user interface, fast and responsive app with quick execution times, no fees, a huge selection of stocks, cryptocurrencies and forex currency pairs, social trading feed and ability to copy the platform's best traders, and it needs to be a secure and regulated app. Luckily, there is an app that has all these features. It's called Etoro. When using a trading app, it's very important to have a platform that has an easy-to-use interface and fast execution times. This is important for both beginner and advanced traders, as you don't want to use an app that is lagging all the time, potentially impacting your trades. The Etoro platform has the best user interface with lightning fast execution times. Etoro takes no fees or commission when buying assets, leaving more profit for you. There are over 1,000 assets to trade on Etoro, including 800 stocks and a huge selection of top cryptocurrencies. The Etoro Copy Trader tool is revolutionary. Choose the pro traders you want to copy, decide on the amount you wish to invest, and copy everything they do automatically and in real time with one click of a button. Finally, Etoro is regulated by both the FCA and SISEC. This means your funds are always safe and secure, and you can trust the platform 100%. I'll show you guys how you can sign up, deposit, and start investing in under an hour. Use our sign up link in the description if you're interested in using Etoro. We recommend depositing £250 or more. Once you click our link, you'll land here. Click Join Now, then enter a username, email and password. Accept the terms and conditions and click Join Now. Once you've made an account with our sign up link, you can check out the Etoro app, which is available on both Apple and Android. Millions of people have already downloaded it, and the app has tens of thousands of reviews and is over 4 out of 5 stars, which is really impressive. In total, Etoro has over 10 million users. So to deposit funds, go back to your account and click the blue button in the bottom left. Etoro has many payment methods including credit card, debit card and even PayPal. Once you've done that, click Submit and your account will be credited instantly. Now you're ready to start investing. Remember, you can trade anything you want on Etoro, including stocks, cryptocurrencies, forex and even commodities like oil and gold. Let's say you want to invest in stocks, for example AMD. Last week, AMD had an impressive report with Q2 sales and a rosy outlook for sales to grow 32% for the rest of the year, blowing analyst consensus estimates of 25% growth out of the water. With just about 1/10 of the sales of its much larger rival Intel, AMD has plenty additional market share it can capture in verticals like server chips, PCs and gaming. So to buy AMD, search AMD in the search bar, click Trade, put the amount you want to invest in, and then click Set Order. That's how easy it is to start trading. Alternatively, if you want to use the Copy Trader function, go to Copy People, choose any trader you want and click Copy. Etoro is by far the best app to use for trading any sort of assets. So if you're interested, use our sign up link provided in the description and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.